Good morning, it's Sarah from Hills. You'll find me here today with this fabulous extended family home over on Glendale Road within the tree-lined streets of Ellesmere Park. So as you can see to the front, you've got off-road parking, fantastic sized garden. The property has been extended to the side. You've got a double-storey extension, so 3 reception rooms, fantastic sized kitchen, separate utility, 4 generous sized bedrooms, along with an ensuite to the near 20-foot master bedroom. So we've just come straight into the property via the entrance hall into the original 2 reception rooms. Those lovely French doors taking you out onto the rear garden, which does benefit from the sun. Obviously you could separate the two and have them 2 separate rooms because both the doors are still in place, or leave it open as is. So just coming through the front door now into reception room number 3. It's beautiful and bright throughout, and the owners have had this property around 30 years. It's been a fantastic family home. On through to this generous sized kitchen, all of the storage, floor to ceiling storage, that beautiful range cooker, centerpiece of this kitchen. But once again, lovely and bright. On through to the utility, so further floor to ceiling for freezer. You've got your washing machine in place here, and then out onto the sheltered raised decked seating area. The garden then continues back round the side, which is where you get the sun, and you've got your double gates there separating you from the driveway. You may have noticed also the electric charging point, and then the brick shed just to the bottom. Lovely and private out the back, and as I mentioned, you do get the sun out here also. A nice decent space, nothing overlooking you. Now, not only have we got 4 bedrooms in here, the family bathroom, the ensuite as I mentioned, but there is also a converted loft space spanning over around 26 foot, and the property also comes complete with solar panels, and there are additional batteries storing and saving energy. So once again, to the left is the original house, family bathroom to the top of the stairs. Plenty of space in here, along with your 2 doubles and box room to the front. So this is then where you access the loft room, which runs the full width of the property and is currently just used for storage. It's this beautiful bright second double, and then as I mentioned, the box room to the front, and then lastly into this really impressive master bedroom. Oh, look at the space in here. Triple wardrobe on either side of the king size bed. Don't find many bedrooms of this size. And then, as I mentioned, you do have the ensuite, which once again is an impressive size and comes complete with the corner bath. So we are located over on Glendale Road within the tree-lined streets of Ellesmere Park, which is just a short walk to not only Monton Village but also Salford Royal Hospital for anyone moving over here for a new job in the hospital. You've got excellent local schooling. I'll go up into the loft space now. Excellent local schooling, just a short walk from where we are, and fantastic transport links, as well as brilliant local amenities. But once again, use the storage and you can hugely appreciate the space up here. So if you'd like to book a viewing of this fantastic family home, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.